Imagine being in a remote area where time and distance. In a life-threatening emergency, every second is precious. Imagine being in a remote area where time and distance stand between life and help. Traditional rescue methods struggle against harsh terrain and limited access. But that's where our revolutionary VTOL drone technology swoops in. With no human intervention, a tap on the device triggers the system to automatically extract the exact coordinates and ID for swift action. The request flies through the network, reaching our central control system instantly. Our smart system analyzes the request in real time, ready to take action. The command is relayed to the VTOL drone, and the mission begins. The drone runs critical pre-flight checks, ensuring everything is ready for takeoff. From GPS accuracy to battery levels, every detail is checked for the mission ahead. If all systems are go, the drone maps the fastest, safest route using an algorithm. If anything goes wrong, the mission is halted, and the drone returns to base. With the path set, the drone lifts off, its advanced systems engaged. Effortlessly dodging obstacles and streaming live video, it navigates the terrain. Arriving at the destination, its gimbal camera searches for the person in need. The drone verifies the location and waits for a visual confirmation from the person. A simple wave from the person confirms, "I'm here, and I need help." If the person is detected, the drone drops the medical supplies right where they're needed. If no confirmation is received, the drone requests another signal and waits. If the success confirmed, the system tracks the delivery and logs the completed mission. The drone returns home, mission accomplished, life saved. From distress signal to delivery, our VTOL drone cuts through chaos to provide fast, pioneering technology for life-saving missions, when every second matters. For more info on our breakthrough VTOL solutions, visit us or get in touch today.